Thank you so much, everybody, for attending and participating in this historic occasion. Isn't it amazing that 50 years we're still fighting for our voting rights? The protections that were gained in 1965 were kind of taken away with the Shelby decision. And we want to make sure that we understand what the struggle was and what it took to get us there, but more importantly, what is it going to take to get us back there?
There are forces in our country that are trying to take us back. Trying to take us back to another period. After the Supreme Court decision, several states, including the state of Georgia and North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Mississippi and Texas, came up with these unbelievable devices to make it harder, make it almost impossible for low-income people, for people of color, for students, for the elderly to participate. That's not right, that's not fair, and that is not just. And we have to do something about it.
What we need to do right here and right now is to take any organization who opposes free and open voting rights in the United States to task and fight it out.
Women and men we know gave their lives so we might have the right to vote. And I contend that if we're able to mobilize what we saw in 2 or 3 months of demonstrations around our nation, around the killing of African American men, if that energy can be mobilized in a constructive way and utilized over and over again, then we will elect the kind of people to office that will always have the agenda of the people ahead of the agenda of the 1%.
So what do? First, we have to start by changing our mindset about where we stand.
All right.
Nothing is ever given and nothing is guaranteed. Don't wait for the Voting Rights Act to be restored, because it's going to take some time.
All right.
But what you can do is to help accelerate that time by demanding your rights, not as special citizens, but as full American citizens.
Yes.
And you have the right to vote, and that right should not be impaired.
I happen to think that we're too quiet. We're just too quiet. Wade Henderson would tell you, we can fix the Voting Rights Act if we get out there and make some noise and push every Democratic member in the House, every Democratic member of the United States Senate is prepared to support the Voting Rights Act and vote for it. We need to say to our Republican colleagues and our friends, bring the bill to the floor, and we will pass it. We will pass it. And President Barack Obama will sign it into law. The point I'm making, we've come too far, we made too much progress, we cannot go back, we got to go forward. Not just for ourselves, but for generations yet unborn. We don't stand up and fight here in Georgia, fight all across the South and all across our nation, we can make it happen. Let's do it now. Let President Barack Obama have an opportunity to sign the new Voting Rights Act. Let's do it. Thank you.